Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 3rd. Let's go over our daily planner. You should be on the December daily planner, which you can find in Schoology. It is also posted to this post. Let's scroll down here to Thursday, December 3rd. The announcements for today is that your reminder that your social studies culture project is due tomorrow. So please make sure that you read the directions fully down below, which I will read to you. The end of trimester is this Friday. Monday, there will be no school for students. It's a teacher grading and planning day. So just so you know, you have Monday off. Live meetings today are for math, reading, and science. Don't forget that science is at 1 o'clock in Mrs. G's WebEx again. Also including open office hours if you have any questions from 10 to 10:45. Language arts today. We are going to, in our WebEx meeting, discuss chapters 21 through 25. We haven't had a moment to discuss recently, so we're going to get caught up and discuss 21 through 25. We're going to do a little character change practice, and then we're getting close to the end here, so we're going to start brainstorming some themes and review what that word theme means. Your actual homework assignments today are to read chapters 26. You're going to complete the choice assignment in your December 3rd folder. Looks like this. Thursday, December 3rd, chapter 26. And then don't forget to add that next day, day 4 for the DLP. In math today, we are going to review chapter 2 so that you are ready for the assessment that is on Friday. Just a heads up, you will be attending math and you will be taking the assessment online or during a WebEx meeting. So you will still attend that WebEx meeting on Friday, and you will stay in that WebEx meeting until your assessment is finished. So just a heads up that that's happening Friday. And then your assignments due, just attend that meeting, that WebEx meeting tomorrow. That is your assignment so that we can study. And then we're going to practice. I'm going to give you some tips for studying for that chapter 2 assessment. Again, social studies, you got a lot of things happening on Friday. So make sure that culture project is uploaded and ready to go. You're going to make sure that it's recorded and submitted to this culture project assignment by the end of the day. So you need to plan for that. Remember, that's only if you want to have that culture project in there and you are not going to share it live. So if you want me to click on it and share it with the group, then you have to make sure that you're uploading that project, that you've already pre-recorded it and uploaded it into this assignment so that I have it ready to go on Friday. And we'll talk about that again too today in our WebEx meetings. Science, again, just show up at that science WebEx meeting today at 1 o'clock. We're going to go over the lab 3. Exciting because Mrs. Goldanowski is actually going to do the lab from home. So we're going to join her and watch her and help her out with that lab. But there's not actually an assignment to submit for science today. And as always, if you have any questions for me, make sure that you send me a Schoology message or join me in my open office hours from 10 to 10:45 today. We'll see you soon.